Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to review two gorgeous pieces by Hernest furniture. So Hernest.com, that's the website that you can find all the most gorgeous, beautiful pieces of furniture. And this is where I've got this beautiful chair in white, and as well as this is where I've got from my new Ottoman for my living room. Both of these looks so very gorgeous, and I am absolutely obsessed with these two pieces. The assembling was so very easy and fast, and well guys, let me tell you even more details about this one. I really want to show you all the unboxing and all the beautiful scenes that I've made for you. Well, let's get started. Well guys, I received these two gorgeous pieces from Hernest, and I'm so very excited. Well, let's get started. I am gonna start with the chair, and then I'm gonna move to the Ottoman. So first of all, about the brand. So Hernest was founded by a group of very talented designers with a desire to be obsessed with the contemporary minimalism while exploring the field of the furniture design and of the house decoration. At Hernest, they believe that the most pleasing environment is a reflection of a human personal design, a study of a balance and the symmetry and perfect proportions. All that you can find on Hernest.com, our story. Guys, by the way, all of the links are going to be down below for Hernest directly, as well as for these two gorgeous pieces that I'm going to review here today. Well, allow me to start from this gorgeous modern white velvet upholstery swivel barrel accent chair with a golden base. Right now, it goes on a crazy discount. So the full price of this one is $700, and the Black Friday is 71% off. So right now it only goes for $199.99. It's just great. So to the device itself, this one comes in two colors, in gray, in white. I've got mine in white because I am obsessed with everything white. So basically my whole house goes by white. So this chair is absolutely gorgeous. I love the golden base, and you can swivel on this one from side to side. This chair is made with a contemporary style, design, and good minimalistic taste. It is exclusively designed for every artist out there who pursues modern aesthetics. With the swiveling base, it ensures that not just comfortable seat, but also an effortless flexibility during your relaxation time. This chair is so comfortable to sit on. I absolutely enjoy reading a book, playing on my phone, or just scrolling on my computer while sitting on this chair of mine. The swivel base rotates for a full 360 degrees by providing a complete flexibility, but at the same time it doesn't allow you to rotate really fast. The rotation is really smooth, so it's absolutely 100% safe for the swiveling. It is made from a velvet, gorgeous to touch, so very smooth fabric. It's soft and comfortable, and have an amazing skin-friendly touch. It's such a pleasure to sit on this chair when the velvet fabric touches your skin, your hands, your legs. It's just an amazing feeling just on the top of your skin. This chair designed in a barrel style, so it's so very comfortable to sit for basically everyone. It's made with resilient sponges for even more comfy support for your back. Well now guys, let's move on to the second piece of art that I've got. So the second one, it's this Émilie 31 inches wooden frame, longevity, flower carved linen, upholstered Ottoman, which made with a soft cushioned footstool. This one is an amazing sale as well for the Black Friday, guys. So the full price was $240, and now it goes for $190.99. So yeah, it's basically 50% off. This one is so very gorgeous, and to be honest, this is the most favorite piece between these two. It's just added so much style, chic, and design to my living room. My living room looks like it was especially designed thanks to this Ottoman. It just looks so very gorgeous and absolutely pretty. This is a blending inspiration from the classic aesthetic design, and this design was blended with the exquisite craftsmanship. This Ottoman absolutely can be used as a chair, and it fulfills the desires of the most artists when it comes to the home decor. It's not just serving as a comfortable sitting option and sitting table to put your legs on in your living room, but it is also doubles as a footstool or even a coffee table. So you can use this one by any way you want. You can sit on it, you can use it as a table. It's just not super stable because obviously you have a cushion, but you can use it as a coffee table for your living room, as well as you can use this one as a footstool as well. I personally use this one as a table and to put my legs on, especially while sitting on the chair by Hernest as well, but this one can be used by any way you want. You can put it anywhere you want. There is no limit to your imagination. It is absolutely a blast to getting yourself this fully embarrassed by this cozy touch and relaxing chair on a sunny spring weekend or in an amazing fall afternoon. It is dissipating all fatigue as you feel the warmth and mellow vibe. The design of this one was inspired by the longevity flower motif, and it is made via the exquisite carving craftsmanship vividly showcases the idea. It is versatile in its applications, and it can serve as a lounge chair, as a footstool, as a side table, or even as a coffee table as well. It's made of a solid wood legs, and they are stable and sturdy for use. The cushion is made from a resilient sponge for a comfortable support and usage. This one is so very easy to assemble. It came with all the instructions and with all the needed and necessary tools. This Ottoman is an absolute beautiful piece of a furniture. The design is adding so much character to my living room, and the soft cushion is perfect for any type of your legs relaxation. Guys, I will definitely recommend you these two pieces. The assembling of these two was an absolutely breeze, so very easy, especially for the chair. The chair just arrived with a full piece. You just simply need to connect the base and you're done. And the Ottoman took a little bit longer because you need to connect like two pieces plus the four legs, but it was absolutely still very easy to assemble. The Ottoman feels super solid and the chair feels absolutely comfortable. So this is an absolute great investment in all style, quality, and your comfort. The soft cushion of both the chair and the Ottoman is so comfortable for an extended use. Well guys, be so very sure to check these pieces of art out. I will leave you all of the links down below in the description box to this video of mine. Guys, I truly hope this review was helpful for you. I truly hope you enjoyed it. Well, please let me know your opinion down below in the comments. I am absolutely a big fan of Hernest furniture. They are creating an adorable, beautiful, fantastically gorgeous looking pieces of furniture. I love their style, I love their design, and you can find it all down below at the description box to this video of mine. So yes guys, I will leave you all of the links down below to this video of mine at the description box. Once again, sorry for saying it twice. In addition to all the links to Hernest furniture, you will find a coupon code, discount codes, sales, promotions, all the possible information about what's gonna happen. So guys, be so very sure to check it all out. I'll leave you all the information as well pinned to be the very first comment at the comment section down below to this video of mine, and please let me know your opinion in the comments as well. Well, that was actually all for today guys. Please let me know if you enjoyed these beautiful scenarios, these beautiful like scenes, and I truly hope to see you all in my next videos. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.